is just a quick video to show you how I make just whiskey props, fake whiskey props. So there's quite a process, but I'm going to make this quick because that's kind of what I do. Anyway, I use deep pour liquid glass epoxy. You can get all kinds of different types of epoxies. This is just one I use and I enjoy. Of course, you need your Jim Beam to go along with that. And then the colorant that you use, if you want a clear type of pour, right? The colorant that you use is alcohol ink. You don't want to use like mica powder because you'll have a bunch of fragments in the whiskey and it won't look real. And of course, you need your mixing cup, my popsicle sticks to mix the epoxy and to mix the alcohol ink in. And you get fake ice cubes and then cheesy glasses from your dollar store. And that's your basic recipe to end up with nice fake whiskey glasses. And you can color to your heart's content based on what you end up liking. So anyway, that's it. If you learned anything whatsoever from this video or you thought it was interesting, please like and subscribe. Thanks.